Hello folks, thought I'd do a little bit of video on a decent Browning Mk3 receiver that I bought. I picked up, kind of got it at a bargain price. The cover's in rough shape. Interior of it's in really good shape, but anyway, when I got it, it would not receive on a CB band. You see, this one's got CB, HF, and XDL, which is crystal, and your HF is your high frequencies. But on CB band, that's 1 through 23, and you can tell all there is there's just a little bit of noise. And what it was, there's a 31.400 megahertz crystal that solders into this switch right here. So what we did is we took our little handy dandy VFO and we programmed it to 31.4 megahertz. Unless when I turn this on, we should have receive. Voila. These things are handy to have if you don't have one. See, I dialed it into 31.4. That gives us our frequency for our receive, because we have a mixer crystal in it that changes it to 27 megahertz. So we now have an operating Browning Mk3 receiver, and you can see it works on the HF band too. I went through it and recapped it when I got it. Let's see if we're going to get a ping out of it. Yep. Put a 40 microfarad, I can't talk today, 40 microfarad capacitor in it. You can see I recapped everything. It does have an intermediate issue with turning on and off, and I'm not sure what's going on there. If there's I'm suspecting a diode or something that's heating up and shutting off the AC power. I have 110 going to the switch, but it shuts off the high voltage, the DC voltage. So I'm hoping it's not the transformer. If it is, I've got a parts radio. But yeah, just a tip from Shoe Shine Boy. If you happen to get one that won't work on HF, so you can, there's another crystal in there. It is, I think, a 31.6. That's it right there. You could do the same thing with it. If the HF band didn't work, you could program this VFO to 31.6, and it would give you all the high frequencies that you see on the channel selector. So if we was on high frequencies now, we'd be at 27,425 if we were on the HF band. But just a little tip: you run into a problem, can't find a crystal, just get you one of these little VFOs, hook it up to the channel selector, the mode switch on the bottom, set it to 31.400, and you're good to go. Good evening, folks. Hope everyone's doing well. Appreciate you checking in, watching the videos, liking and subscribing. Have a good day. Shoe Shine Boy, Vintage CB Radio at its best. See ya.